I am at the visitor center on the northernmost entrance to the Skyline Drive in Virginia's own Shenandoah National Park. This is a beautiful area, and I'm just working my way out here to the edge, and I'm going to spin this around and pan back, and you can see this backdrop behind me. The Skyline Drive is a 105-mile trek through the Shenandoah National Park. The winding two-lane roadway traverses the spine of Virginia's Blue Ridge Mountains. Travelers experience beautiful views from dizzying heights of over 4,000 feet at Hawksbill Mountain, which is the highest point on the drive. If you're brave and in really good shape, you could ride your bike along the Skyline Drive like these travelers. Man, I'm exhausted just watching them go by.
John, I'm wondering, would you like to ride your bike up here? I'm just wondering.
I think I'd rather ride an airplane up here.
Yeah.
I mean, this is like
Or in your Chevrolet.
my Chevrolet is my preferred mode of transportation.
Okay.
About midway through our journey, we found the Elk Wallow Rest Area that featured a restroom, restaurant, and a gift shop. It is a welcome waypoint for hikers challenging the Appalachian Trail that claims 101 miles of Shenandoah National Park as its home. Cruising on down Skyline Drive. Yeah, we're just a little south of the Thornton interchange where you can get off and on the tunnel ahead. What? What the heck is this? There's way up on top of the mountain, somebody put a tunnel. Can you believe this? Let's see if we make it to the other side all right.
This is great.
It is.
Why would we need a tunnel?
I have no idea.
The Skyline Drive is on top of the
At top of the mountain, they put a tunnel. That is so crazy. Oh, there's we can pull off here. Wow, that was a tunnel parking for the overlook. Well, let's check it out. The Skyline Drive was constructed by the Civilian Conservation Corps in 1932. Standing in their way at mile marker 32 was Mary's Rock Mountain, a 3,514-foot granite rock face. Cutting back a ledge for the road would have created a huge scar on the mountain, so it was decided to blast a tunnel right through solid rock. It took over 3 months and tons of dynamite to create the 670-foot two-lane tunnel, which has a clearance of 12 foot 8 inches. This is the money shot for the northern end, of the Skyline Drive. You can see ridge upon ridge upon ridge of mountains. This is the Hog Back Overlook.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Tune in every Wednesday for a new tasty recipe and every Saturday for more travel adventures. And for even more fun, check out our website at www.thefunchasers.com.